Welcome to Mountain Bike Physics. Here's our coefficient of friction problem. The mountain bike and rider have a total mass of 75 kilograms. The bike, initially at rest on the frozen water surface of this inlet, requires a horizontal force of 77 newtons to set the bike in motion. Once the bike is moving, it requires a horizontal force of only 75 newtons to keep it in motion at constant velocity. Find the coefficients of static friction and kinetic friction. You can go ahead and pause the video as solution will follow. Here's our solution. First we're going to solve for coefficient of static friction, mass 75.0 kilograms. Maximum value of the force of static friction is 77.0 newtons. Coefficient of static friction is unknown. Equation sets up like this. The coefficient of static friction is equal to the maximum value of static friction divided by our normal force, which is the maximum value of static friction divided by mass times acceleration due to gravity. .0 newtons divided by 75.0 kilograms times 9.81 meters per second squared. Coefficient of static friction equals 0.105. Now coefficient of kinetic friction. The coefficient of kinetic friction is the ratio of the force of kinetic friction to the normal force. So 75.0 newtons now divided by mass of 75 kilograms times acceleration due to gravity 9.81 meters per second. Coefficient of kinetic friction 0.102.